Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel in guitar. I am myself Varun. Today I am going to do a tutorial from the movie Roja, the background music itself, and I hope it will help the beginners to learn from this video. So happy learning. So first of all, I will tell you the notes of this song. The third string, I am taking this note as E. This is actually E. So this is a ninth fret. Third string, ninth fret is E, and second string, this is eighth fret. So second string, eighth fret is G, and this is a 10th fret. Second string, 10th fret is A, and first string, this particular position, that is a 9th fret. So first string, 9th fret is C sharp. This is C sharp, and 10th fret is D, and 12th is E. First string, 12th fret is E. So third string, 9th fret is E. Second string, 8th fret is G. Second string, 10th fret is A. First string, 9th fret is C sharp, and 10th fret is D. So the song started E, 9th fret of third string. You can see song start at third string, 9th fret, and next note is so E, G, second string, this is E, yes, this is G, this is A. So second string E, third string E, second string G and A. That is 8th and 10th fret. And this is first string, this is 9th fret and 10th fret. This is C sharp and this is D. So together if we play, it will be like this. Third string, these two in second string, and these two note in first string. And next part is and this note is in second string. This is A, 10th fret. And next three notes are in first string. This is 9th fret, that is C sharp. This is 10th fret, which is D, and it is 12th fret, which is E. This is what we see. This is A, C sharp, D, E, and next is this is C, B, A. C, B, A, which can be played. This is also A. This is also A. So second string, 10th fret is A, as well as first string, 5th fret is also A. You can play anywhere. See, both are same. So A, this is C sharp, D, E, this is C and B. C, B, A. See this. C, B, A. And again, the next part is start from third string E, second string G and A, and first string this is B. And these two notes are G and F sharp. This is G, this is F sharp. These are playing in E, F sharp, E. So these two notes are A and G sharp. A, G sharp, A. So E, G, A, C sharp, D, and next part is this is A, C sharp, D, E. This is C, B, A. Next is E, G, A, B, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, A, G sharp, A. So by practice you can also play very fastly. So thank you for watching. Happy learning.